It's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is Hopping Down the Bunny Trail. Our host is Shabby Meets Bling, Crafting with Indiana Jones, and Up All Night DIY. Today I decided to do a couple cute bunny transformations, and I'm going to apologize up front. I've been fighting a sinus infection, so my voice just isn't what it normally is. I hope you enjoy my creations. I got a styrofoam bunny from Walmart. I'm going to kind of dress him up with some of our napkins. I don't know whether I'm going to put napkins over the whole thing or just here on his bum. Hey, now that I ripped it, they came apart. Wish I would have done that earlier. Okay, I Mod Podge some, and the ends won't stay down, so I'm going to just add a little hot glue. I just want a little bit of color on its bum. Okay. You could put this in a wreath or in an arrangement. I'm not sure what I'm doing with him. I may add a little bit of extra poof on his tail. You could do a little bow in its ears if you wanted to. I think I'm going to hold off on that. Add a little glue right there. Add a little glue on the stick, because he wants this stick one to go all the way through him for some reason. Let's enhance his eye and give him a little bit of an eye. Okay, this is just a bunny. I got it for $1 at the General Dollar. I thought I'd make it more of my own. We're gonna start by sanding off some glitter. Okay. Mosh Posh. The napkins. I found these at Walmart. My projects today that I'm doing, everything came from either Dollar General or Walmart, or it was, I already had it. I'm beginning to think this is a single layer. Okay, yeah. It's a single layer. Okay, let's start ripping. The edges of our napkin. Run this on there again. Just didn't get the one edge very well. gonna make sure that stays down better. Okay, now we're gonna embellish it. This is the fun part. This is what I like to do. Here's a little bunny's necklace. Our little bunny's tail. Here is our little bunnies that we did. The first one was our Walmart bunny with a little blue on its bum and we added a little bling to her neck. We dressed her up real cute. And the next one was the little Dollar General bunny. This was a very inexpensive bunny to do. Just a napkin, a little bling that I already had, and a little cottontail that I already had too. The Dollar General bunny was $1 to begin with, and this one I think the Walmart was $3.49 or $3 something. So these aren't really expensive crafts, but we sure made them look a lot better.